By definition, a 12 gauge shotgun will hold 12 balls of pure lead in its barrel. And if you add the weight of all 12 balls of pure lead that barely fit inside the bore, they will weigh 1 pound. So the definition of gauge then is based on this Old English measure. So the question is, what is the diameter of a 12 gauge shotgun barrel? To solve this problem, we need the formula for the volume of a sphere, which is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. We need the density of lead, which is 11.4 grams per centimeter cubed. We need the density equation, and we need 2 conversion factors. We need to know that 1 kilogram equals 2.2046 pounds, and we need to remember that 1,000 grams equals a kilogram. We begin to solve the problem by finding what one of those lead balls would weigh. It's 1/12 of a pound. So we convert 1/12 of a pound into kilograms first, and then convert to grams. Remember, each time we do a conversion, we try to eliminate the unit by placing the unit we're trying to eliminate in the denominator compared to the previous expression. So here we had to get rid of kilograms, so we put kilograms in the denominator of the next expression. So the final answer will be in grams. One lead ball that barely fits in the barrel of a 12 gauge shotgun would weigh 37.79 grams if it was made of pure lead. Then we take the density equation, density equals mass over volume, we transpose the variable B, and then transpose the variable for density, rho, letter rho, this is the Greek letter rho, for those who aren't familiar with it. It is the letter we use for describing density. We enter the values, 37 grams divided by 11.4, which is the density of lead, and we get that the volume of that ball is 3.3 centimeters cubed. We then enter that volume into the equation for the volume of the sphere. We've arranged the equation to isolate for r cubed. We enter the numbers. Here's the volume of the ball divided by 4 over 3 pi. Gives us 7.9 centimeters cubed. We have the radius cubed now of that ball, but we don't want the radius cubed, we want to find out the radius. So the way to find out what the linear value of r is to take the cube root of it. So we take the cube root of both of these, both the r cubed and the number, and we obtain 0.925 centimeters. So that's the radius of the lead ball. If we double the radius, we get the diameter. So the diameter of the lead ball that would barely fit into the bore of a shotgun, 12 gauge shotgun, is 2 times 0.92, or 1.85 centimeters. And then one last step, we can find out how many inches that equals, because very often, well, typically rifle calibers are described in inches. So a 50 caliber rifle means that the bore is ½ an inch in size. So a 12 gauge shotgun has a .728 inch bore, or it's .728 caliber.